Ebyombeko ebiruho amaju 30 agoburaro bw'abasirukare ba polisi abarukora station cha Hoima omu rurembo rwa Hoima byombekirwe government na n'ubushagiki bw'ekitongole cy'amashanyarazi na n'ubugiga bwo mu itaka. Patrick Lawuti uri umuhwezi wa mukuru wa polisi ari kurwana sobuza hambuki owajwekera mukuru wa polisi yagamba ngo mu rumogo gukozerwa ba Uganda Police Force Engineering Unity.
This is number one priority. The welfare includes accommodation facility, includes clothing. You have seen, if you look around, you find all the police officers who attend this function are smartly dressed. And of course, additionally, we also look at welfare, like education for their children.
Lawoti yashobora ngo polisi eriyone yombeka amajagando 12 agabasirukare ahabwo kutaho ubugwaje bw'abasirukare.
Take it as if it's your home. So the way you will manage home should be responsible. I call all of us police officers are using that facility should be responsible, so that we don't degrade it so fast, and we use the money in constructing more site facilities.
Amosi Omuneneserezo okurwa mu kitongole cy'urukujinanizibwana n'abakozi mu polisi yagamba ngo amani bagonjira umukombe ku buraro ahabitation bya polisi ebatiro mu magombora.
The police management has taken priority into accommodation issues. The reason why even at sub-county level they are constructing a director here and is here, he will testify. At police headquarters, you are aware, we are constructing new apartments, and the plan goes to Zambia and other barracks.
The rating of our welfare must be better than yesterday. Can we also rate our performance to be better? Because to some extent, the welfare has also been improved. It's a responsibility that we must carry.
Edgar Nyabongo orukwebembera polisi y'ebyamajuta yagamba ngo murumo gw'amajuta gwenegize ntunguka yihanga.
Bayina kurara kurungi baitukule keki ebyombeko bintu biri by'abasirikale ba oil and gas bonka by'abasirikale bona aba polisi nabwekyoze ni block 3 ezaruga kutongozebwa ekiro kino nizija kukozesebwa aba polisi bona aba polisi ya Uganda.
I want to congratulate the police for having achieved these quotas. Once Martin Luther King said that the feeling being homeless can only be explained by having nowhere, no place of abode.
Frantailo Rwamusayi orukura polisi ya Albertine South yagirangwa ba polisi abatine buraro no bahikarukaga 50 ekirukoro bucika 25 na n'ubutonyezo mushanjo harigana
52.2%. The personnel that are not accommodated are 650, representing a percentage of 45.7. Sir, with the completion, we have ongoing construction of the sub-county structures and accommodation. That is in 3 sub-counties of Buseruka.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Ambrose n'wagabakatoto.